Hi everyone, it's Sarah from the Valley City Public Library. Today we're going to be doing our Snowflake Winter Make and Take bracelet. They will be available on January 5th. So if you want one, you'll just have to call. We have quite a few of them. They're actually really cute. Let's see if I can get it open. And they do come with instructions. Okay. And it comes with a nice clear, you can't really see it, string. And it comes with all the parts and pieces. You can do whatever pattern you want. Just thread them. So far I just did a silver bead, a dark blue, light blue, one of the more cone shaped. I did one of the snowflake charms, and I'm just gonna keep doing that pattern. Silver ball, dark blue, light blue, cone silver, the charm. And you don't have to use all of them. It depends on how tiny your wrist might be. You can leave some off, make it as tiny as you want. See, they're looking so cute. They're snowflake charms and snowman charms. The nice thing about this craft is it doesn't take very long to do. And last snowman. Maybe if I can get them on there. Get my last few beads on here. Okay, so I have them all strung up. And I'm just gonna attempt here to not lose them like I just did. I did lose a piece. It's okay. Just put it on this end. So now we just have to tie a knot, and I'm going to attempt to get them to sit. So I just like having it about the same length so it's easier to tie. So you just want to tie a knot at the end. And if you want a friend to help, so you can So you tie it to your wrist. There's one knot. I like to double knot just to make sure it's there. Okay. And then just take a scissor and cut off any extra. Don't cut your knot. And if you need to, you can take a piece of glue and, you know, try to keep it together. But isn't that so cute? I know I'll be wearing mine around. So if you would like to get a kit from us, go ahead and call the library at 701-845-3821 and we can set you up with a kit. We have quite a few, so I think they're going to be popular. Get your phone call in.